Are you a pizza enthusiast eager to elevate your homemade pies to a new level of deliciousness? The right pizza oven can transform your culinary experience, allowing you to achieve that perfect crispy crust and bubbling cheese reminiscent of your favorite pizzeria. In this video, we will explore the best pizza ovens on the market, catering to various needs, budgets, and cooking styles. Whether you're a casual cook or a gourmet chef, there's a perfect oven waiting to unleash your pizza-making potential. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Onlyfire Stainless Steel Pizza Oven Kit. If you prioritize grilling in your outdoor space, the Onlyfire Stainless Steel Pizza Oven Kit is an excellent addition. Designed to sit atop your grill, this oven features a 14-inch cordierite pizza stone, ensuring even cooking for perfect pizzas every time. With a compact base of 17 inches square, it's essential to measure your grill first for a proper fit. But setting it up is a breeze. Just take it out of the box and place it on your grill. The double-walled roof effectively retained heat, while the built-in thermometer made for simple temperature monitoring. In approximately 15 minutes, we reached a temperature of 690 degrees Fahrenheit at the front of the oven. Although this is on the lower side for pizza ovens, we found the cordierite stone maintained heat remarkably well. Cooking a supreme pizza took about 9 minutes, and the consistent results were undeniably delicious. Keep in mind that the Onlyfire relies on your grill's heat, so the maximum temperature and cooking time will vary based on the grill you use. This means that enhancing your outdoor pizza making experience is within your reach, provided you have a compatible grill. Transform your grilling sessions into delightful pizza parties with the Onlyfire Pizza Oven Kit, allowing you to serve up homemade pizza that your family and friends will love. It's not just about cooking, it's about making memories over delicious meals in the great outdoors. At number 4, Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Pizza Oven. If you're craving the delicious smoky flavor of wood-fired pizza without the complications of traditional grilling methods, the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Pizza Oven has you covered. This innovative oven allows you to effortlessly create pizzeria-quality pizzas by simply turning a dial. No need for complex setups or messy charcoal. What truly sets the Ninja Woodfire oven apart is its cutting-edge technology. With just half a cup of wood pellets, you can infuse your dishes with that rich, smoky flavor that elevates your cooking. The compact design doesn't compromise on performance, giving you the versatility to prepare not just pizza, but a variety of other foods, making it an essential addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal. Whether you're hosting a casual backyard gathering or enjoying a cozy night in, the Ninja Woodfire oven simplifies the cooking process while delivering exceptional flavor. With its ease of use and impressive results, you can spend less time worrying about the cooking method and more time enjoying great food with friends and family. This is not just a pizza oven, it's a tool that connects you to the art of outdoor cooking, enabling you to explore your culinary creativity. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Pizza Oven and savor the flavors of expertly crafted dishes made right in your backyard. Number 3, we have the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo. If you're looking to elevate your pizza making game at home, the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo is an excellent choice. This innovative indoor pizza oven brings the experience of pizzeria-quality pizza right to your kitchen. With the capability to reach temperatures of up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, it replicates the ideal conditions needed for authentic Neapolitan-style pizza. Unlike traditional outdoor pizza ovens, the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo offers unparalleled convenience, allowing you to prepare delicious pizzas without waiting for the coals to heat up or dealing with changing weather conditions. While it's true that you might miss the subtle smoky flavor imparted by a wood-fired oven, the ease of use and consistent cooking results make this model a compelling alternative. Designed with features that cater to enthusiastic home cooks, the Pizzaiolo comes with a built-in pizza stone that ensures even heat distribution, creating a perfectly crispy crust every time. You can experiment with your favorite recipes or let your creativity flow with unique toppings. Whether it's a traditional margarita or a gourmet white pizza, you'll find that every bite showcases the quality and flavor you desire. Overall, the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo is not just an appliance, It's an invitation to enjoy and share homemade pizza experiences with family and friends. Unlock a new level of culinary delight and enjoy the pleasure of creating restaurant-worthy pizzas in the comfort of your home. At number 2, Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. If you're looking for an efficient way to make delicious pizza at home without the hassle of preheating your oven, the Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Pizza Oven is a fantastic solution. This innovative kitchen appliance allows you to bake your pizza indoors while keeping your kitchen cool. With its continuous rotating function, the Presto Pizzazz ensures that your pizza cooks evenly, preventing any burnt edges. The oven heats from both the top and bottom, offering a well-balanced cooking experience that enhances the flavor and texture of your pizza. Additionally, the separate heating controls allow you to customize the cooking process. For example, if your crust browns too quickly while the cheese remains unmelted, you can easily adjust the temperature settings. This flexibility means you can achieve your perfect pizza every time, whether you prefer a crispy, thin crust or a soft, chewy base. Cooking with the Pizzazz Plus is not just convenient, it's also entertaining to watch as the pizza rotates and transforms right before your eyes. Explore the many possibilities this oven brings to your kitchen, from classic pepperoni to gourmet toppings. The Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Pizza Oven provides an enjoyable and reliable way to satisfy your pizza cravings while letting you maintain control over the cooking process. Embrace the ease and fun of indoor pizza making and elevate your home dining experience. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Ooni Koda 12 Gas Pizza Oven. Are you searching for a reliable and efficient outdoor cooking solution? The Ooni Koda 12 Gas Pizza Oven could be your ideal answer, standing out among its competitors for numerous reasons. This sleek, gas-powered oven simplifies the pizza-making process, enabling you to consistently achieve great results. In tests, the Koda 12 reached its optimal cooking temperature in just 15 minutes, making it more than capable of delivering delicious, restaurant-quality pizzas right in your backyard. Designed with your convenience in mind, the Koda 12 is perfect for both novice and seasoned chefs alike. Its compact size ensures it fits seamlessly into smaller outdoor spaces, while still providing a generous cooking area for your creations. The gas-powered feature eliminates the need for charcoal or wood, allowing you to focus entirely on crafting mouthwatering pizzas without the hassle associated with traditional wood-fired ovens. Elevating your outdoor dining experience is effortless with the Ooni Koda 12. You benefit from quick preheating, which means more time enjoying pizza with family and friends and less time waiting. Whether you're hosting a lively gathering or enjoying a cozy night in, the Koda 12 transforms pizza nights into a delightful experience. With the Ooni Koda 12, you can turn every meal into a memorable occasion, impressing your loved ones with the simplicity and deliciousness of freshly baked pizzas. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which pizza oven you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.